Today's haircut are very beautiful and easy to make. Short hair refer to any cut with little length. It may vary from above the ears to below the chin. If a man's hair reaches the chin, it may not be considered short. For a woman, however, short varies from close crop to just above the shoulder. This varies from culture to culture. In more traditional society in Eastern Europe, Asia, and the Islamic world, short hair on women means very short hair than chest length to elbow length, being considered medium length. However, among more progressive society with far less structured gender norm, the classic bob is considered medium length with short hair, referring to pixie cut and similar hairstyle. Different styles of haircut refer to different style, for example, bob cut, crop, pixie cut. Short hair is easy to take care of for than long hair. For this reason, many women cut their hair short to save time and the effort of maintaining it. However, it does not take more time to be specifically styled than long hair. Small diameter brushes are generally recommended for maintaining short hair. For men in Europe or European settled area, having short hair is now generally the norm. Viewers, if you like this video or you want more video like this, then viewers just leave the comment below. I will upload more video like this for you on my YouTube channel. In East Asia, the style is in a relatively recent development. Also, with this traditional hair long without me, although it won't tied. The Qing dynasty required this to be cut into a queue. But it was not until the advent of the Europe colonial empires and the Republic of China that what is normally thought as short hair became popular for men. Historically, short hair has been the tradition for women in different cultures across the world. Women in many Amazonian tribes wear their hair short. Maasai women wear their hair cropped or shaved, and long hair is the masculine norm. In Siam, modern-day Thailand, women customarily wore their hair cropped. Short hair became fashionable for Western women in 1920s. Style include the bob cut, a blunt cut to the chin or neck cut evenly all around. The shingle bob mean a haircut that was tapered short in the back. And the short crop cut short in the back and longer hair in front. Before the 1920s, short hair on women was not entirely uncommon but was often associated with the Coney Island cross girls. In the 1910s, Irene Castle was the first to bring short hair on women into the mainstream. Women wore long hairstyle in the 1930s and 1940s, save for the early 1930s, as a continuation from 1920s. But the bob became unfashionable by 1932. Short hair made a comeback when Audrey Hepburn sported a pixie cut, a very short, wispy haircut, in 1953. Film Roman Holiday. Short hair was fairly popular throughout the 60s, but the 70s and 80s favored different hairstyles. It became popular in 1990s and remains so to this day. During the 1990s, among teenagers, girls and boys apply for similar haircut. There have been other styles such as Eton crop, a more extreme takes on the short crop and short layers. You can also watch more designing ideas. If you want, leave the comment below. I will upload more haircut ideas. Or if you want some ideas about dye your hair, that which color suit your face best, which color stand out on your face, so we will choose the hair color according to your color palette. This is a non-exhausting list of hairstyles excluding facial hairstyles. Bob cut. Classic short hairstyle where the short blunt quickly no layers. This style is most common among women. Bouffant, a style distinguished by smooth hair that is heightened and given extra fullness over teething in the fringe areas. Next is shape of style. One the most common method of achieving using a ball to style the cut by placing it on the head and trimming the open hair. Moy Howard from the Three Stooges has this hairstyle for his trademark, and Henry V of England had a similar hairstyle. This hairstyle was unpopular in United States for straight hair textures. During the late 1980s and early 1990s, it is called as bowl cut. Bunches. Another name for pigtail worn braided or unbraided. A bunch is a type of haircut in which the hair on the top of the head is cut in every dimension. The top and the upper portion of the back and sides are cut the same, which generally ranges between 5 mm and 20 mm, following the contour of the head. The hair below the upper portion of the side and back of the head is tapered short or semi-short, with a clipper in the same manner as a crew cut. A buzz cut or a wiffle cut, whereby the hair is very short and typically cut with manual hair clipper. The Cassier cut is a man hairstyle that is cut to a regular fade with the bangs or fringe left longer than the top length. A variation on the traditional top knot and tonsure of samurai in feudal Japan, today worn by sumo wrestler. Unlike the samurai tonsure, the top of the head is never shaved for this hairstyle. Comb over hair that is combed from one part of the head to another, often to cover up a bald spot. Viewers, if you want more ideas about males and females haircut, then we will leave the comment below. I will upload more ideas about male and female haircut on my YouTube channel for you separately. Eton crop, a more expensive version of a short crop with the hair at the back cut close and the front hair left longer for styling, is called Eton crop. And there are many more men's haircuts.